Hi, I'm Ken and I go to A&A Academy. This is my third milestone, and for this one, I switched my board from a regular Arduino to an ESP8266, which has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. In this one, some major changes I implemented were getting a clock library imported into my Arduino IDE so that I could get the local time for my board. I converted it from like UK time, which is default, to Pacific Standard Time. And as you can see in the serial monitor, it's printing out once every 3 seconds, updating, showing that the current time is around 10:03, which is correct. Every 3 seconds it updates. I set it at 3 seconds to avoid the max refresh rate of like an update once every second, which would pretty much like just crash the system because it would be too fast. Right now, I have a string called alarm time. That's customizable. Right now, I have it set to 10:04, and as you can see right now, once it reaches that, the serial monitor will print alarm triggered, time reached. So in the future, I want to implement this with a buzzer. I think the serial monitor was really good for testing because it shows that I can still receive like an input at a certain time. And now that I have that, it should be pretty easy to hook up the buzzer and just replace serial print with, let's say, buzzer on high. I'll also be implementing the code from my last milestone video where I stop the buzzer press after standing on it for around 10 seconds. And yeah, that will overall complete my project. Some difficulties were obviously just getting the new code in because this was a completely new board. I had to set it up, which meant that I had to import more libraries, and I had to find a lot of tutorials on how to like code the various things because I'm not too familiar with C++. Overall, I think that was a very fun milestone, and after this, I'm just looking to complete my project. Thank you.